everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing some little Ipsy unboxings plus a giveaway. All right, so let's see what we've got in some of these Ipsy bags first. I don't know what month these are. There's like 3 of them, I think, and I think one of them's pretty old. But here, I think, is the newest one. I think this is for this month, for December. Could be wrong. Let me see. Here's the card. This one's for November. Okay, so this one must have been from last month. Yeah. By the way, my birthday's tomorrow, December 12th. Yes, I'm going to be 54. Don't tell anybody, okay? Because a woman never tells her age, ever. It's just now. Okay, so I've got this Pressed Pigment Quad by Cab Cosmetics, and it doesn't show the colors. Brooklyn, no. My dog, of course. Okay, so it looks like it's right here. Those are pretty neutral colors. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I wasn't sure if I was, but I will. Feel like I have hair in my mouth. All right, let's check it out. Okay, here it is right here. Not bad, cute little quad palette. All right. What else did I get? Ipsy. I got this. This says it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Santa Ana. I used to work in Santa Ana at one point in my life. Santa Ana, California. I was born and raised in Yorba Linda, California, Orange County. And lived there most of my life. In fact, well, actually, California most of my life. I was raised in Yorba Linda, but by the time I was a high school student, we had moved to Riverside County, California. Now I'm nowhere near California anymore. Okay, well, I'm going to try this on. Just a little bit. I don't have my mirror over here with me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't know. I probably just wiped it all off. I like it. So it is a Ofra Cosmetics Mini Liquid Lip in Santa Ana. I guess Santa Ana is the color. Okay. Brooklyn. No. No. Here's my little culprit here. She's getting into everything, aren't you? You like this scent of that lipstick? All right. Then we've got this Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. What is a skin refiner? I don't even know. Is that the first of its kind? It's vitamin C serum. Okay. Oh, what happened to my phone? Uh-oh. I don't know. Now I'm sideways. I don't know what's happening. It's sinking. Look, it's going down, 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 down. All right, let me see what's going on. Okay, well, I hope that helps. I hope that stays my ring light. I think I have another ring light that's falling apart. I had one before that, you know, it just like, it wouldn't hold the phone up and, you know, anything. I think this one's starting to do the same thing. But anyway, so it's a, what did I say? A vitamin C serum? Yes. Okay, so that's what that is. Not bad. Nice. Then I've got this. This is a liquid liner. I think my phone is going down again. An Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner in black. I do not use liquid eyeliner. And then we've got this Origins Checks and Balances. It's a face wash. Always use this. Got 2 teenage kids. Yes, face wash is always good. All right, so that is for this one. So far, I think the only thing that I don't like out of this bag is the liquid liner. So put that aside over there. Brooklyn, Okay, so then we've got this one. This one I think is for this month. What is going on with my phone thing? Kind of a weird bag. I don't know if I like the glitter. It's a little much, but let's see what's in the bag itself. I thought one of these bags had something in it, like a brush or something, but guess not. Okay, so what we get in this one? We got this Game Changer hair mask. Yep, I'm syncing again. Game Changer hair mask. Okay, not bad. Good size sample. So that's good. All right. Then we've got this. This is a gel eyeliner. And what color is it? Does it say? It says Shades by Shan. This is in Tapioca Pearl. Tapioca Pearl. What does that look like? Don't know. Every time I look down and then I look back up, it looks like my phone is sinking further and further down. So I'm gonna, I don't know what's going on with it. I've had to adjust it a couple times during this video already. So we'll see. I just can't get it to stay is the thing. It's just keeps sinking. I don't know if you guys know how a ring light works, but there's like knobs and everything where you go around and you tighten all the knobs, and the ring light is supposed to stay where you set it. But yeah, not working out for me. So just trying to open this up. All right, I think I got it. Let's see what this looks like. Looks black. Oh, and it just broke. Look. Junk. Darn it. And it just looks black to me. Look, I just made a huge mess. Put that over there. It just, I mean, I'm sure that I can get, well, I think, yeah, I can get more out of there. I just have to push it up like that. But, now I just made a huge mess. That is, just looks black to me. I don't know. Can't give that away. Bella, don't bark. Not a good girl. Okay, then what did I get? Dr. Brandt Microabrasion. Dr. Brandt is a good name. I like this. Age-defying exfoliator. Small sample, but that's okay. Now that's gonna bother me. Look at it. Won't even come off until I'm gonna have to go wash it off. Ugh, I have to have that on the rest of this video. Look at that. And this is an eyeshadow primer, Vera eyeshadow primer. I do not use eyeshadow primer. Let me go ahead and stick that in a different pile over here. An eyeshadow primer pile. All right, this we already saw, and that goes in my pile. Okay, and then this is that little Shape Tape by Tarte, and it is a it's just a eye concealer, I think is what it really is. It says it's in peach. It says neutralize dark under eyes and discoloration. Yeah. So that's what that is. And let me see. Is that it for this? Yes. Okay. One more. I've got one more. Brooklyn. I don't even know what month this was. Self-love is the best love. Do you guys remember seeing this bag? It's probably, I don't know. Looks like something for February, but boy, that was a long time ago if it was February. I don't know. So the first thing in it is this brush, makeup brush. Definitely going to keep that. Let's see what's in here. I don't think I unboxed this already. It says you are February 2023. Oh my goodness. I just came across this the other day, so I'm like, all right, well, let's see what's in here for February 2023. I have this Estate Cosmetics Mystic Forest Eyeshadow Duo, and it's right here. I am not going to open it. That is gonna not be mine pretty soon. Watermelon Dew All Over Serum by Tony Moly. Keeping that. This is, I have no idea, Appeal. What is this? Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse. M-U-S-E, in Muse, it says. All right, well, let's check it out. If I can open it, that would be the first step. So my dog is like looking out the window, and I'm afraid she's going to start barking. Anytime she sees like a squirrel or anything like that, she just goes crazy. Yep. So how was your day, everybody? I am not working today. I am not really working at all, except now my husband says to me, whatever happened to you substitute teaching? Because that's what I decided to do. After my kids were kind of older, I decided, you know, I've got my master's degree in business, but that's neither here nor there because I don't use it. But I had decided, here's the color. Kind of a pretty color. Yeah, I like that color. So I had decided that I was just going to substitute teach. And so I was doing that for a while. And then I just kind of stopped. And you know, for a long time, my husband didn't say anything at all. So, I mean, it was okay. We were doing fine financially, I thought. But, you know, he comes to me the other day and he says, like I said, he says, whatever happened to you substitute teaching? No, I don't know. I just haven't been doing it. And so it was kind of a hint. And then he kind of said, and not really a hint, we kind of need you to go back to work. So probably after the first of the year, I'm going to be going back to substitute teaching part-time. But this is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I love Clinique from what I remember, so I'm keeping that. All right, now I won this on Fishland on the Temu website. If you notice, there's multiple copies or multiple of the same color, you know. So let's pick out one blue, green, another green. Let's see, I'm just going to get one of each color out for you guys out of here. And we are going to have a little giveaway. So let me get each color out and then I'll show you the giveaway. And I have not used any of these. I have used some, but I've taken them out already. Trying to get one of each color out. Some of the lids are on pretty loosely. Kind of make sure they're on there pretty good. And as I'm just looking down because I'm taking eyeliners out. Well, you know, there's tons of eyeliners. I'm going to actually get one of each eyeliner for you guys. So you guys are going to get all this eyeliner plus more because there's more colors. They use these. They actually, that's for my carpet hair. The hair won't come with it. Don't worry. I'll try not to let the hair come with it. So you'll be getting all of this. You'll be getting the eyeshadow primer. I think that, look at this. Looks like it's only filled to there when I look at it through the light. I don't know. And then you're going to get this little eyeshadow thing. Then you're going to get this eyeliner, liquid liner. Is that it? Yes, you'll get each one of these eyeliners and you'll get all of this extra little stuff. And I'll probably just throw in the little bag as well. So you'll get a little Ipsy bag. All right. What do you do? What do you say? You would have seen in the video a secret word pop up. Put that secret word in a sentence down below. YouTube, Ipsy, Temu have nothing to do with this giveaway. It's just me giving back to you. And what else? You have to live in the United States. You have to be over 18. once it leaves my hands and gets into the hands of the post office, I don't have anything to do with it. Nothing. If it gets lost or stolen, I'm sorry. But that has never happened. And what else? Subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Please like this video. Again, even if you do want to enter, please use the secret word that you would have seen earlier in the video in a sentence down below. If you do not want to enter, please still leave a comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. And what else? All the other rules for the giveaway will be in my description box, so please read them. It's kind of important in case I forgot to say something out loud. I want to make sure that everything is written and read. All right. So everyone, thank you all so much, and have a giveaway. When will it end? When will it end? Does it ever end? It will end in a random video. Sometime after let's see, today's the 11th, tomorrow is my birthday. So sometime after the 18th, Monday the 18th, it'll be in a random video, either on the 18th or sometime after the 18th of December. So you got to just keep watching my videos, because it's not going to say, are you the winner of my giveaway or anything like that. It's just going to be it could be in, one of my review videos or one of my Temu hauls or, whatever, Dollar Tree haul. And then all of a sudden I'll put up the name of the winner to my giveaway. So that's how I do things. Hope you don't mind. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.